For certain workpieces with regular shapes, such as the gear disc shown in the example, if we want to add pick points along the edge of the disc, the pick point mirroring feature allows us to do this quickly and easily. First, add a pick point A as the reference point for mirroring. Then, add a pick point B as the axis point for symmetry. Select pick point A, and click the Mirror Generate Pick Points button in the toolbar to enable the mirroring function. Set the axis vector and the coordinates of the axis point as the symmetry axis according to your needs. Here, we set the axis vector to point along the z-axis, and input the coordinates of the pre-prepared pick point B into the axis point coordinate fields. At this point, you can see that 4 pick points are generated by default within the 0 degrees to 360 degrees range through mirroring. If you find the coordinate axis size of the pick points inappropriate, too large or too small, which may affect viewing, you can click the View Settings in the toolbar to individually adjust the length and diameter of the coordinate axes, setting them to a proper scale. Of course, you can modify the number of pick points generated by mirroring, and the angular range at any time. Please note, avoid generating too many pick points, as this may cause the interface to lag during rendering. The software will notify you if the number of mirrored pick points exceeds 360. The maximum input precision for the angle is 0.1 degrees, meaning the smallest angle interval between generated pick points is 0.1 degrees. The mirroring angle range supports negative angles, with a valid range from -360 degrees to 360 degrees, allowing for the generation of symmetric mirrored pick points. Finally, it is important to emphasize, when pick point A has mirroring enabled, it is treated as the reference point. The reference point serves only as a basis for generating mirrored pick points, and is no longer an active pick point itself. To avoid confusion, the coordinate axis of reference point A is displayed in a semi-transparent state to visually distinguish it from regular pick points. Therefore, the total number of pick points used in the final calculation currently includes the 5 mirrored pick points generated, plus the normally added pick point B, making a total of 6 pick points.